welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a get ready with me, and I'm just shopping my makeup collection, so pulling out things that maybe I haven't showed some love in a while, and it's just a great way to use the makeup and products that you already have instead of going out and buying new ones. So I hope you guys will enjoy this get ready with me. Grab a drink, grab a snack, it's gonna be a long one. So if you want to see how I did this look right here, very aqua, very mermaid-esque, sitting by the pool, then keep on watching. Take 527. Alright, let's start with foundation. I've been recently mixing these two together and I really like this combo. So I have the Flower Light Illusion Foundation and the Photo Focus, right? Yes. Foundation from Wet n Wild. Of course, I will list all the products down below if I forget to mention anything. Everything will be down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. I'll link everything as well if I can find everything. And I will be using my new favorite. Oh my god, this sponge is amazing. It's the Sony Kashuk Marble Blender Sponge. I did a full review and demo if you guys want to check out that video. I'll link it right here in the card. You can click on it and go check it out if you want to. But it's freaking amazing. I love it. Oh my god, I just realized I forgot my mirror. I guess I'll use a viewfinder for the moment, but I need to go grab a mirror. Alright, I grabbed a concoction of concealers here, so I'm just going to use some of, I don't even know what I'm going to use. I just got this new shirt the other day. I was at Meijer and I had to get it. Nirvana. I've always wanted a Nirvana shirt, but whenever I see women's band t-shirts, they look so tight on you, and the sleeves are like this. They might as well be a tank top, and I just hate that style of t-shirt. I just prefer men's shirts. I don't give a crap if it's a men's shirt or not. I might do a little distressing to it. I'm just afraid of screwing it up because I don't want to mess it up and then have to buy a new one. It is actually so beautiful outside. We have been having super hot weather here in Michigan. It's been oh my god, so hot, in the 90s. What? I think we skipped spring and we went straight into summer, because technically summer doesn't start until what, towards the end of June. Oh, but man, girlfriend, I cannot stand this heat. Photo Focus. I love this concealer. I just wish Wet n Wild would come out with more colors, because this is just too dark and this is the lightest shade. And voila, it is lightened. Holy moly. Alright, we need to set everything really quickly before anything creases. I grabbed some random powders that I haven't used in a while. The Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Mystify and Mattifying Powder, but this sometimes can make my skin look too dry. I don't know. I might use it. We'll see. So for underneath the eyes, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Color Correcting Powder in Cool. I can't remember if I like this for underneath the eyes or not. Might be a bad idea to use this one, but I'm going to use the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Mystify and Mattifying Powder. I usually only use this in the summertime because this really is mattifying and you only need a small amount. So I'm just going to take my powder brush here, F12, and it's just a translucent powder, but this blurs the pores like no other. So I'm just going to swirl my brush in here and make a mess. Very lightly set because this stuff is no joke. Alright, so for the brows, I'm just going to go through them really quickly, but I am going to use something I haven't used in quite some time. This is the BH Studio Pro Brow Pomade in Brunette, and this stuff is amazing. Definitely for the summertime, if you sweat a lot, if you're going to be by the pool and stuff. This really does hold up really well. It's just a, typical brow pomade, but this stuff is amazing. Alright, so I have this Z palette filled with some Milani shadows. These are the Bella Eye shadows. I forget the name of those. And then over here I have some Physicians Formula quads that I depotted into my Z palette. Here's just what it looks like. So I don't actually remember the names of these, but the Physician quads are really, really good quality. So I'm going to use some of the, I think, the Cool Tone mattes in here. So let's start off with this one right here. It's just sort of a nude color. So I'm going to pop this and use it as a transition color. It's very, very light. I don't know if this is going to show up on me actually. So I'm going to take Bella Sky, which is a shimmer, but it has more of like a satin finish, on this Crown SS021 Deluxe Blending Brush. Not really showing up on my skin. Alright, I'm going to go into, because that's not showing up at all, I'm going to go into this really dark color right here, and I'm just going to start adding this to the crease here. Outer V. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Yeah, that's what we want. We want some blue. So I just finished watching Siren. Have you guys seen that show? It's actually pretty good. I stopped watching it for a little while and then I started watching it again. It was getting better. It's about like these mermaids, like more realistic. And it's actually a really good show. Some of the acting, I think, with some of the like fishermen guys isn't the greatest, but it's still good. It's interesting. There's some special effects. I love anything that's like fictional, mermaids, vampires. I love that kind of stuff. Alright, I think I'm going to go into the Wild and Free palette from BH. I'm just using a whole bunch of stuff. I'm sorry. I'm going to go into this really dark blue here at the bottom and see if I can't like darken things up even more. Pat this on. See what we get here. Alright, I am really feeling this like beautiful aqua green color right here. I'm gonna put this right here on the inner part of the lower lash line. Oh, that is so pretty. See that pop of teal? Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a seafoam green. I am just loving that kind of seafoam green color. Then I'm taking this really pretty, this just reminds me of like a mermaid. It has almost this like blue teal and then like this shift of like green almost. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on the lid. So like this inner part here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. That is what I wanted. Oh, I just want to look like a mermaid, mermaid. For the inner corner, I'm going to try to use this really pretty blue shade here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that'll work. Alright, I'm going to add a bright blue liner to the waterline. This is called Neon Blue. Alright, and for liner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner pen. I've been really loving this lately, so I'm just going to do a typical wing. Let's do this. Alright, wings are on. They're looking really big and bold and beautiful. So I'm going to take a black liner just to kind of tight line. Alright, I'm going to hurry up and throw on some mascara. So my favorite like lash combo right now, I wear the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara in the green tube on my upper lashes, and then bottom lashes I switched back to my Mega Length Waterproof. Alright, I'm going to let this mascara dry. And just so you guys can see what this looks like without false lashes, you do not have to wear false lashes, you guys, but I like how it looks when I'm doing a look like this, or most of the looks, because my lashes are so short and stubby. But here's what it looks like with just mascara and no lashes. So you definitely could wear this without falsies. I also think this would look amazing with like a electric blue wing liner, but I only have black. I definitely need to invest in some colored liquid liners. If you guys have any recommendations, that would be so awesome. I definitely want to get like colored eyeliner pencils for the waterline and like liquid liners in different colors, because I like some color. Alright, let's go ahead and finish off the face. I pulled out some of my OG favorites, you guys. Oh, these are the original colors from Wet n Wild, the contouring, Color Icon contouring palettes. What they should do is add a whole range of different colors so that everyone, you know, really fair skin tones, really deep skin tones, can wear it, but it's kind of limited. So for blush today, I thought I would pull this out. I haven't used this again in a long time, going through my collection and just shopping. It's kind of nice to just shop your own makeup collection. So this is the Cindy Luminizer. Now, no one ever really talks about this because it's kind of a weird color. It's like a cross between a blush and a highlighter, and it has this really pretty glow to the skin though. But it's so pretty. Like, I don't know why I don't wear it. It's so pretty on the skin. It gives just a little bit of color. Look at that glow. So this is from Hard Candy. This is old school, you guys. Hard Candy Contouring Face Trio. So it has 3 different sections here. They did change the packaging on here, but I'm pretty sure that Hard Candy still sells these. I hope, because I've had these forever and they're still really amazing. This is called 3 Times a Lady. Number 841. Ooh, okay, yeah, I'm liking that. And this is just a soft color. It doesn't really pull a particular color on me. Alright, I'm gonna just spray my face now before I put on lips and lashes. So this is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Prime Set Refresh Spray. It smells so delicious. I have a review coming on this and the face primer, the cream primer. That'll be coming really soon. Alright, so I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are the Broadway from Kiss, the number 523s. Love these. Alright, so last but definitely least, the lips. So I was thinking of doing one of these Milani liquid to matte lipsticks, the Amore mattes. I haven't pulled these out in forever. I hope it's still good. But this is called Adore. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I am loving the eyes. The blues, the teals, the aqua colors. Here's just one final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and getting ready together. If you guys want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed. And if you are new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on a Sunday. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, what other tutorials, looks, reviews. What do you guys want to see? I want to know. Leave a comment below and we can chat. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty, it's better beauty. Bye guys.